What do you got there?
I had a Sharpie.
Don't get it go in front of that like this. Here, walk. See that? That hurt, Troy. Can you see the reflection on the ceiling? From my head?
Yeah.
You got a hammer. You got a hammer? We're changing the water pump? No, you are. I'm just watching.
What's new, Mike?
Not much. Troy, don't hurt your back. Won't that come out of there with the whole thing? It's stuck on there. Well, you had it stuck underneath the... Pull it towards you. You're stuck on a bolt. Push towards the fan, the radiator. There you go. There you go. Now you're stuck on something over here. There we go. There we go. Wondermush. Look at that. Didn't even dent the radiator.
Much. Yeah.
Much. Oh boy. This looks way more complicated than I thought. There's a new thermostat over there too on the box, on the chair. Cool. I'm looking at this down here. I don't know what to take out next. I'm glad you guys are mechanics because I sure hell ain't. What do you got to take out? Oh, wow.
Start with the flux capacitor.
The flux capacitor? Is that like the whatchamacallit? The whoosmacot? You see where it was leaking? Underneath. Was it low on fluid, Troy, or didn't you pay attention?
That's full.
Was it low on antifreeze or not? Okay. It must have healed itself for the last week or so. Okay, well that's all I wanted to see.
Let's just put it back together.
Yeah. That was fun. So all those little bolts, that won't be that bad once you get that damn fan out of the way.
If we get the radiator out, I can sit up right in there.
Yeah. Well, that wasn't new antifreeze, was it? I haven't had green antifreeze in years.
There's more than 5 gallons in here.
Was there? It's a big engine. I didn't say engine either, I said engine.
A lot of noise and no go.
Noise. Oh yeah, yeah.
A lot of engine, a lot of noise, but no.
A lot of engine noise. Yeah, all scream and no go. That's what they said about Detroit's. All right, I just wanted to say what the hell we're doing today. Check the when you got the belt off. This is good for going out the bearing, and then that idler is pretty new.
Yeah.
And then let me know how bad that lower radiator hose is. Probably. I want you to tell me how you know the water pump is out. Can you read? Wow. I didn't see it move, did you?
It moves.
What about that tensioner? Grab that, Kyle.
That's shot too.
That shot too. Oh, we went and got it. Well, I went and got a new one yesterday. I forgot to ask you how we knew. So now that's how we know. Look at, there's an arm in my truck. There's a monkey down there. That's all. I just wanted to mess around a little more. You got one bolt left or what? Might fall on your head. Maybe we should pull the motor out and just go through her, huh? All right. Supercharged. Where's the old one? Oh, it's over there. I gotta come see. Wait. Turn the light on, Mike. Got them lights for the bench. Gotta turn them on. Oh, you gotta change some sensors and stuff, huh? Mm-hmm. It's a little loose. A little bit. Could you see where? Oh yeah, it's coming out of there pretty good, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. The weep hole. The weep hole.
Wasn't rubbing yet.
What the heck? Is it a Ford one? Should say Motorcraft on it if it was.
Part number?
So then it probably wasn't original.
No, because there's a different bolt in here.
Okay. Well, I thought it would be something if it was 367,000 miles old. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll shut up now. You got the new one? This one's made in Canada, eh? Right there. It says Gates on it, right there. See that? Yep. 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 Mm-hmm. Alright, I'll just shut up again. Say bye. You guys holding hands or what? Are you gonna dance? You guys are gonna dance. What happened to my truck?
Junk.
Junk? What do you mean junk?
Set the rod through the pan.
You put a rod through the pan? What the hell? Brake stands with an old Ford with 360,000 on it. I'm proud of that. If you can do brake stands.
Well, I tried to.
All right, oh, there she sits, all ready to go. And then this came in here. We got to talk about this. No. What do we got? Brake line. Pressure hose. Where's that? Did you find out where that goes? All the way down to the rear ass end? And drop the pan? I'm just doing a short thing. And you're making hose for the sprayer? Alright, they gotta go from there. Make sure the sprayer works. Stump treatment. And that's it. Just basically here for a few items and that's it. You got them lines on already? Huh? You got them lines on already? Yeah. Must be just giving her, huh? Mm-hmm. I should show him this this case rust job, huh? Where does that go? Oh, right here. And that's just another bulkhead? That's just another bulkhead fitting that comes out where? Ah, okay, so we just need that hose from there to there. I'm just trying to, you know what? Yeah, he's got to bring the saw, that guide. I'm trying to show you guys something else. You know, up here in Wisconsin, we get a lot of snow plowing. These tractor backhoes get used. Look at this. Guy wants me to fix that. Patch her up. I think I need 2 gallons of mud. Bondo. I don't know. What do you guys think? You comment on there and see if that's worth fixing or not. Look at that. It is from the 80s, I think, 90s, but wow. Flopping in the breeze all winter. Snow getting in the cab. What about Troy? You got her done yet? Really? You're full of it. Well, look at that shit. I walk away for 20 minutes and he's got it done. That thing gets routed all the way through there. All the way through the back end. It's one of the lines that runs the brakes on here. The parking brake. Up underneath there somewhere. Cool. In and out, that's what we like, just like a car's. Just like being car mechanics with this big stuff, huh? In and out, get her in. Get her out. I gotta try to explain this, because people are gonna want to know what do we gotta have a sprayer for, Troy? You have no idea, do you? Just fix it. Stump treatment. Why? Because the government says so. They gotta spray the stumps. I think it's just the pine, but I don't know for sure. That's the tank. Holds some weird stuff. Basically water with some freaking chemical in it. This is actually a piston pump. Just strokes back and forth and pushes it all the way out to the head and through the bar. So, summertime, that's what's got to be done, I guess. In wintertime, they don't have to spray, right? So there. When I was out on this thing 2 days, what was it, yesterday? Yesterday I was out on it in the woods. The roller arms wouldn't go in or out, forward and backwards. Open and close, that's the 2 words I need. We put a new proportional valve on. That wasn't the problem. I had to get in down here, take the valve apart, and all I can think of is there was some, what do we call it? There was some debris in there. Cleaned her out, put her back together, and it started going toom 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 toom, just like that, working. Now I'm just gonna watch these guys. Spy, like a spy. I sit over here in the chair, this is all I do, and I just watch them all day. Not really. Just trying to show you some of this real stuff. We got another project too. Go right ahead. Write it down. Got a little abuse on a boom here that Kyle's working on. It was all cracked in here. Got a plate right from Ponzi that goes on there to reinforce that. We've done them years ago. We got a couple more. Just in for a little touch-up work. Nothing special. So, kind of some fill-in work. I'm a what? Douche? Bag of douche? What's that? Summer's Eve? Oh, don't drill a hole in the hose.
Huh?
You drilling a hole in the hose?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Too much pressure.
Watch your fingers. Want me to hold that for you? Here. That shot. What are you going to do now? Oh, you're going to use one of them fancy devices. That's not going to fit in that hole.
You're on.
Look at that. You might have to stretch it just a buzz. Summer's Eve. Use that Massengill. Massengill, that'll get some KY jelly on there. Lube her up. That should work. Oh, it's just a little bit too thick. That's because it's metric. You gotta be careful that don't. Oh, you're smart.
I know it.
Yeah, but you know what? Whoops, I'm fell on the floor. You need help?
Really? But
You're gonna be famous, Kyle. There you got her. There, got her. Alright. I might have to pinch her back together to get her straight. But
works like Loctite when the threads are cross-threaded.
yeah, cross thread's better than no thread. That's what we say in it.
In it.
Okay. Alright, I'm enough of this crap. Bye.